Guys, my Legion is about to get an upgrade again. This is the brand new Legion Y9000P 2025 AA. Looks like I'll have to work even harder to afford it. Compared to the previous generation, the biggest difference with this Lenovo Legion Y9000P 2025 AI in terms of performance and specs is that it switched from Intel's Core i-series processors to the new Intel Core Ultra series processors. What I'm using here is the Intel Core Ultra 9275HX processor. Although it's only the second highest model in this series, the only real difference is a slight gap in turbo boost speed. As usual, let's start with some test data. Compared to the i9-13900HX I have on hand, the results are actually pretty interesting. The single-core power output can also reach 140 watts. The reason I chose the Core Ultra 200HX, the hexagonal warrior, is because I often need to use CPU-intensive software like Premiere and After Effects in my daily work. Based on my actual experience so far, the improvement in timeline preview and estimated rendering times in Premiere is really noticeable. Paired with 32 GB of DDR5 6400 memory, it has truly boosted my work efficiency by a lot. As for the other hardware, I went with an RTX 5060 graphics card. The overall performance is really solid, and you can check out the test data for reference. For my needs, it's more than enough to handle my daily work. Of course, since this is a gaming laptop, everyone's also curious about how it performs with games. So I also tested a few games for you all, and you can take a look at the frame rate results as a reference. This time, the Lenovo Legion Y9000P 2025 AI edition has some pretty noticeable changes in its appearance. All the ports have been moved to the sides, and the back now features a really large cooling vent. The advantage is that the overall cooling performance of the laptop has definitely improved a lot. The downside is that if you have a lot of external devices connected on your desk, the cables can get a bit messy. Which design do you prefer? There are still plenty of ports, so even for someone like me who connects a lot of external devices, it's no problem at all. Now that I've upgraded my equipment, I've got to work even harder. This Lenovo Legion Y9000P 2025 AI edition completely meets all my work needs. For all the gamers or power users watching, do you think this kind of performance would meet your actual needs?